Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are great. So this is Rashmi and you are watching Maitri English. So friends, today's session is very special as we have an amazing tutor from English Yari, Radhika Mehta ma'am. She's so sweet and her way of teaching is really nice, and we talk about so many things, how to improve English and how to learn new words. She taught me a unique way to learn adjectives. So adjectives are those words which describe a person's personality or about that person. So in this video you will get to know about those amazing tricks, how to learn these adjectives and how to learn words like very bad, very poor, how to replace the words with very, with amazing, beautiful words. And sometimes it's so difficult to shoot a video at home with your kids and all. Just find in the video where my son come to me. So let's watch the video till the end, and please like and share with your friends and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Let's dive in.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
So tell me, how is your journey with English Yari going on? I can see that you speak extremely well.
Ma'am's going actually very nicely,
Okay.
and I'm about to end my this journey because only two
Really?
classes left now.
Okay.
So it was a wonderful journey actually. I
Okay.
learned a lot from tutors like you and
Mm-hmm.
who mentioned clearly where I am lacking, and I just
Okay.
focused on those areas, and now I can
Okay.
say I can hold a
Mm-hmm.
conversation and I can use different phrases and sentences, words during my
Okay.
talking.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Mm.
Okay, that's nice. So you enjoyed your sessions with us.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
So tell me, Rashmi, you as you have taken so many sessions, which are those two or three things which you would like to highlight that where we need to work on?
Uh, First and foremost thing I would like to mention, the pattern is almost same. Few of the tutors are like they just plan by themselves, but mostly the curriculum is
Mm-hmm.
almost same, like there would be a topic, and I just sometimes I feel like this is becoming monotonous, but
Mm-hmm.
actually one way that is sometimes it gets boring, but mostly I would say this is something where learner have to work because there are different scenarios and different contexts in our life, and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes we just ignore. And just before joining this English Shari, I didn't know actually how to talk in different scenarios, and now I'm
Okay.
able to do that. So
Mm-hmm.
by one, this is a beneficial thing as well as, but
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it becomes monotonous.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
That's one thing. So
Mm.
it could be an impromptu talk where you are meeting a friend and you just start talking about anything at random. That
Hmm.
is what you feel that it gets the creativity also. And
Mm.
even learner as well as the speaker, they just unfolds the whole story and
Hmm.
it becomes more interesting, right?
Yes, 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 right.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that is true. And any other point?
Other point is like I think it would be wonderful if one tutor will take more classes. Like
Okay.
all the time sessions are booked, and you have to look for somebody new. So
Okay.
sometimes it's like
What is this noise?
yes, alarm.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Yes. So, to give you the answer for this, what we felt, as I have been working for a very long time, if you get comfortable with one tutor,
Mm.
you actually get at ease with yourself and you
Mm.
don't stretch yourself while talking. So,
Mm.
if you're meeting a new tutor, say twice or thrice in a week, then
Mm.
what happens is you are stretching yourself. You need to prove it to the other person also that you are able to conduct yourself well.
Mm.
So, that excitement or that challenge is there in your mind to perform it.
Um,
So, for that, if you go ahead and speak to different speakers, because each one of them will have their own ideas, they will have their own way of teaching, and
mm,
it would be a different perspective from different people. So, it would be rather more interesting to go with the different tutors. But
mm,
I have so many learners, they come up, the same time, same everywhere, but that challenging thing would be missing if you go to the same tutor every time,
mm.
right?
That would be one thing, but I just wanted to have like two or at least three sessions with the,
Okay, yeah, yeah.
as they have they are knowing now what problem I'm
Hmm,
facing,
hmm, hmm,
and
hmm,
like for the beginners who are really new, for them, like if they are not able to make good sentences,
hmm,
for
hmm.
them it's actually a problem, and
Yeah, I
at least two
understand.
or
Yeah,
three
that.
sessions should be.
Yeah, so they get comfortable and they can actually open up and they can start their own journey again. Yeah, that
Mm.
is true. I
But
agree to it.
as I really agree with you as you make that point, it is also you learn a lot when you're
Yes,
whenever you meet a different tutor. And
different tutors.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Mm.
Okay, good. So, Rashmi, anything else you would like to add, or otherwise we can continue with our journey?
I just like to add one thing. Like by English Shari, I just learned the way wherever my mistakes and faults were, my tutor was able to point out that, and I
Hmm.
was able to rectify that in that
Hmm,
journey,
hmm, hmm,
this
hmm,
journey.
hmm.
So I can say
Okay.
yes, I improved a lot because of these things.
Okay, yeah. Somebody needs to tell you that each and every time wherever you are going wrong. Otherwise, we keep on
Hmm.
making the mistake thinking that we are saying it
Hmm,
correctly.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Yeah, that is true. Okay, so good. Rashmi, how was your Diwali? How did you enjoy? How do you generally celebrate it?
Yeah, so Diwali is one of the biggest ritual and festival of our country, as well as I found it
Mm-hmm.
like in my home. I am tuition. I'm an English tuition. You just do a work. Huh? I will check it after that. Okay, myself.
Okay, okay,
So, ma'am,
okay,
yeah, it's a really wonderful, and it's one of the auspicious festival, and we
occasion. Yeah.
celebrated really very well and very joy. We all enjoyed a lot during this
Mm-hmm.
festival.
So, what do you generally do? Do you have the parties at home, or do you just celebrate within your family and you
Yeah, yeah.
just
We just
okay?
celebrate within our family, and but
Mm-hmm.
we go to meet people like our
Okay.
relatives and friends. Yes, we
Mm-hmm.
try to go there at their homes, but
Okay.
generally we are at home during this
Okay.
festival. Yeah, doing
Okay.
Ganesh Lakshmi Puja in the evening, and then
Mm-hmm.
all
Yes.
the diyas and
And I
decoration.
think it is more important for our children also to learn all these things.
Yes, yes, yes.
The tradition should pass on, and they should also start learning about each and every tradition.
And why it
And
is
that is,
important.
yes,
Mm,
it is. It is very important,
mm.
isn't it? So, Rashmi, as you are going to end the sessions now, have you spoken to anyone related to your bucket list? Have you
No.
touched on that? Okay, so we can talk about that. What all things are there on your bucket list? Bucket list is a list of things we always imagine, we always think that in our lifetime we'll do certain things. So, if you would like to share it.
Okay, so one of the thing was like I always want to do some improvement in myself first of all.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
because of that, I joined this English rally. So I'm going to continue this by my own self, because now I'm knowing where I have to work. Maybe in future for some time I can join this platform
Mm-hmm.
again. So one thing is this. Another thing is I'm working on my YouTube channel, as I'm posting videos related to English learning
Okay. Mm-hmm.
on that. So I just want to work hard there,
Okay.
as well as
So tell me, as you said that you have opened your YouTube channel, why did you think of opening it? How did you open it? How did this idea come to your mind?
okay. So as I am a teacher, I'm a biology
Okay.
teacher. Yeah.
Okay, really?
Yes.
Wow.
So
Where do you teach?
in
Which
a college, ma'am, in college, yeah.
which college?
Degree college, ma'am. It's like in the
Okay.
UP, yeah, Uttar
Okay.
Pradesh.
Okay, that's
So
nice.
in one of my college during this like last 5 years,
Okay.
uh, I get promoted or post. I get actually transferred there. So
Okay.
there, I found my students they are just struggling with English.
Okay.
They just treated it as foreign language and they don't want to learn it. At that time they didn't want to learn it. And because I'm a biology teacher, so there are so many things in English you have to, even you are
Yeah.
discussing in Hindi, but you have to actually you have to give the naming words and these things in English only.
Hmm.
So they're like, why, mama, why we are writing it? Like with very simple words. So as we are, as a teacher, I was knowing that it's a very important so, medium, because if you are going for an interview or you are writing a
Absolutely.
paper,
Hmm.
English is very important. At that time, I started taking their 10 or 15 minutes of the class of English in my own class, biology class.
Very good. Very good.
and
Yeah.
and there I found like they get just motivated and learn English, and few of them cracked the interview as well, and they just considered it, yes, it's very important now.
Okay.
So that gave me that motivation to start my
Mm-hmm.
YouTube. I just wanted to give this important whatever I have learned, those techniques I just wanted to share with the people.
Hmm.
Then I just started posting on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
I don't know why I just got 9K very soon
Wow.
subscribers.
That's great.
Then now I just becoming serious about it. Okay, now I have
Okay.
to work on it, and then because
Yeah.
responsibility comes, accountability comes after when you are people are trusting you.
Yes,
So
people
I
are
just
trusting you, and as you said, rightly said, that you are reaching out to the people, masses,
mm,
where you feel that they really require it and there is nobody to hold their hands. So
mm,
you feel all the more responsible that being a teacher, if you can just handhold them in some way, and it would be a beneficial thing for each one of them. So that's a very good gesture which you are doing it. Nice, good. Okay, so you started off with your
yes,
YouTube
yes, yes,
channel and you're doing good in that. Very
yes,
good.
yes.
Excellent.
Mm.
Okay. What all things are there? Other things are there in your bucket list?
Other thing is like we actually plan every year to go somewhere, like to
Okay.
visit some places. So this year we are planning to visit Kerala. Last year we have
Okay.
visited Andaman and Nicobar. So
Okay.
these are few things I just want to do.
Okay. And like you said that you have been to Andamans, what was your take? How did you enjoy the journey? And which places did you like the most?
So actually, Andaman and Nicobar is a amazing place. Actually, it's
Mm-hmm.
amazing, and the
Okay.
journey was actually exhilarating.
Mm-hmm.
And we went uh, by air and not by
Okay.
those ferries and these things.
Mm-hmm.
So we took flight from Delhi to Andaman Nicobar, Port
Okay.
Blair actually.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a nice trip and beautiful place. And Andaman and Nicobar is not only two islands; they're group of islands. So there are so many
Yes.
islands there. So we went there and we explored a lot the beauty of the
Mm-hmm.
nature. Because I'm a biology teacher, so I get wondered
Yeah,
seeing
underwater. Yeah,
underwater, scuba diving, and
yes.
those coral bridges, the fishes,
Mm-hmm.
beautiful, like crabs, octopuses, small
Yes.
octopuses.
Okay, really?
Yes,
All the
yes,
okay, okay,
coral bridge, because it was a place, it was near the seashore, and
okay.
at that time the seashore, like the water level
It was a
was
low tide. It was a low
low
tide.
tide, well,
Okay.
tide time, and that time we just we were
Could
so,
see everything.
yeah,
Okay.
fortunate enough to visit at
See.
that time, and then we
Mm-hmm.
watched everything with naked
And
eyes, not with like scuba diving and
yes,
mm,
yes. Okay. Yeah, I also found that Andamans they have the underwater all these
mm,
starfishes were there, the
mm,
octopuses, and the color of the fishes were
it's
amazing.
beautiful, yes,
It
yes,
was
yes,
beautiful, true.
mm,
So Kerala again is a beautiful place. You must
mm,
try to explore the unexplored places. I would say
mm,
that they have many untouched places also. So if you just Google it, you will be able to find
mm,
out those
mm.
places, and you must visit that.
Yes, we are planning, mom.
That is excellent. And what about your children? What do they like to do?
Yeah, they always ready for these adventures. Like they really enjoyed
Okay.
Andaman and Nicobar trip, and they always,
Okay.
yeah, used to say, "Mama, go for any trip and another trip, another trip." They
Okay,
always
that's
demand
nice.
for these things. Yes.
Okay, okay. And Rashmi, as you are a teacher, you were teaching in Uttar Pradesh, and being a teacher, how responsible do you feel that we can guide children using usage of social media, how bad it is, how good it is, and how do you, I mean, how will you approach this idea that they should be told that something is not good in your life and you should be away from it? How will you be able to communicate to them?
Ma'am, it's a very difficult task actually to do this at this
Okay.
point of time. As my daughter, she's eldest, and she's turning almost 12 now, and
Okay.
so it's quite a big responsibility on me to teach her these things. But yeah, she's also very responsible girl, and whatever
Okay.
she just explore any new thing. Like now, kids are just involved in so many games. You never know. I'm
Yes.
not aware of these things, so I just ask her anything you are doing, anything you are exploring. You just show
Let's.
me, show me
Hmm.
first, and
Hmm.
talk to your dad. After that, only you just go and explore.
Hmm.
You can
Hmm.
play
Hmm.
it half an hour is no problem, because
Hmm.
uh, no, you can't just restrict your kids. Then they become very much
Yes.
like stubborn.
Aggressive.
Have to do
Yes.
aggressive.
Aggressive
Yeah, their
also.
behavior
Yes. Yes. Yes.
changed. Like so,
And they
I
would always feel that as if you are taking them away from something which is there in the world that you
yes,
don't
yes,
want
yes.
to let them go.
Now I have to
So
do this.
you are trying to restrain them from something which is not good for them.
Mm.
Yes. Okay, okay. But yeah, it is difficult for today's age. That is what I was just discussing with one of the learner that nowadays the festivals have not remained such as a festival, but they want them to show it on the reels. So it is altogether a different scenario where they do the decorations, where whatever they are eating, dressing up,
Mm.
everything is for the reels. It is just for the social
Yes,
media to
yes, to
see
show
it.
off. Yeah.
Yes,
Mm.
exactly. So the traditions and everything takes a backstage, and the main thing is
Mm.
that they want to show off.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, yes. So Rashmi, tell me, how has been your journey as a biology teacher, and Uttar Pradesh being the place where you feel that yes, the language was a barrier.
Mm.
So how did you overcome that? You said that you tried helping people and all, but initially, because I think you have studied from Delhi.
No, ma'am. I have my all education was in university from Allahabad, and higher
Okay,
education is from University of Allahabad. But
okay,
after my marriage, I just shifted in Delhi
okay.
for
Shifted to Delhi.
shifted to Delhi. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
for 7 years I taught here in University
Okay,
of Delhi. After that, I got transferred, and for 5 years, I I have been in this college.
okay, that's good. And did you see the difference between the Delhi College and the UP College?
So much, ma'am, significant difference actually.
Mm-hmm.
I have noticed in students, and first and foremost thing is like attendance is a problem in Uttar Pradesh. As
Mm-hmm.
students, they don't have any teachers haven't put any restriction like 70% attendance is
Okay.
required, but in University of Delhi we need like 60 to 70% attendance. So this is a problem, so you have to put some extra effort if you want students to turn up to the classes. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a big responsibility on teachers there. But in University of Delhi, it was quite easy, as the students were also very brilliant, like genius, like
Okay.
very good
Mm-hmm.
students were there. But
Hmm.
in UP, the students are like, if I'm not doing anything, I'm just joining graduation here, like biology,
Hmm.
BSc biology. So it's quite difficult. But there is
Okay. They are
always like
not.
20 to
Yeah.
25% of students are
Exactly.
always there, great and good.
Mm-hmm.
So we focus on all the students, but yes,
Mm-hmm.
we mostly focus on like at least they should do good
Okay.
in their life.
Okay. Okay. So, Rashmi, all these classes, have you ever tried any activity like, the tongue twisters? Have you tried a tongue twister ever?
I have tried, ma'am, but in the class, because it's like I am a biology teacher, in the class I haven't tried it.
No,
But
not
for
here.
myself,
Yeah,
but
for
for myself,
yourself.
yeah, yeah, I
Yes,
have.
yes, yes.
Like red
So,
lorry, yellow lorry,
okay.
seashell, something like
So,
that.
okay. So, why do we learn them? Why do we learn them?
Because we want our speech should be very clear.
Yeah, for the
Mm,
diction and for
mm,
the pronunciation. It is one of the
pronunciation.
best time tested exercise.
Mm,
So whenever you get a chance to learn or whenever get a chance to practice tongue twisters, you must do it.
okay.
And we have it from each letter, so you must try to do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
And secondly, there's another activity which I always come up with is that if I you need to describe Rashmi as a person, how would you describe it? Which are those one or two adjectives which you will give it to yourself?
okay. For myself, I would say I'm very honest and
Okay.
hardworking. It's like diligent. Yeah, the two words.
Okay, okay, that's good. So honest and diligent or hardworking, Rashmi.
Mm,
So this exercise actually it goes like two words which you can think about, any two adjectives which you can think about from letters starting with R. So which
okay.
are those words which you will be able to add to your name starting with R? So
Okay.
that way you think of 10, 12, 20 names and then try to find out the correct adjective which will go with their traits. So you will have 20, 30 new words with yourself. And you will always remember them because it will stay with you forever.
Yes, yes.
Right? So if somebody's name starts from A, you can say ambitious, adorable, aloof, whatever, any
Mm,
adjectives which you want
mm,
to give it. Like B, so start with all the, I mean, your family members, friends, and try to associate their name with different words. Give
okay.
them the words or find out the correct adjective which will go with their names.
Okay.
So that's a very interesting exercise, and you really get so many words with yourself.
Right, right. I think you are spelling the beans for me actually. I would say
Okay, okay, okay.
this
Spilling the
one be
beans.
yeah, this one
Yeah.
must be the wonderful way to learn
Yes.
English. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. And now another exercise that we use very in many words.
Mm,
Like I'm very tired. I'm
mm.
very careful. I'm very hungry. So instead of very hungry, which other word would you use? Very hungry.
Very hungry.
Yeah.
Mm, yeah, there is a word, very good word actually. But I'm not able to recall because I don't
Starving.
remember.
I'm
Starving.
starving.
I'm
I'm
starving. Yeah.
starving. I'm being very careful while I drive.
Hmm.
Very careful.
Very careful. Attentive. Alert.
Attentive or cautious.
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 Cautious. Yeah.
Mm.
I feel very tired, or I have become very delicate. I have become very delicate after my sickness.
Okay, so exhausted, like
Uh,
tired. For tired, we can say
Tired, exhausted, yes,
uh,
but very delicate
delicate,
or very frail. Actually, I'm looking for a word called frail.
frail.
Frail,
Okay,
frail, Frail, right?
okay, okay.
So that is what you need to say.
Mm.
Then I have, it is very
Vibrant,
colorful,
vibrant.
vibrant,
Mm,
very good.
mm,
You're
mm.
wearing a very vibrant color
Vibrant
today.
dress. So,
Okay, and I'm very angry. I'm very angry at
yeah.
you.
Angry, angry is very good word is here. I'm knowing, I must be knowing, but I'm
Furious, furious,
furious, furious.
furious.
Yeah.
So
Mm.
this is another exercise which
Mhm.
gives you a lot of words with yourself, and you can have the whole list of it.
Mm.
There are so many other words which we just generally don't pay attention, but very simple. He wants to show all his
Finish.
love here. Okay, so very simple.
Very simple. It's like
Basic, basic,
basic.
basic.
Okay,
Yeah,
basic. B
yeah.
A C. Yeah.
BASI,
So
yeah,
basic. Yeah,
BSIC,
basic
yes.
English advancing is okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
absolutely. Right. So,
Hmm.
any other thing, Rashmi, you would like to ask, or any other questions if you have it in mind?
Yes, ma'am. One thing is this, as you are mentioning, there's so many good words. I'm actually knowing all of them, but I'm not able to use them. I'm not able to recall them. So how I can improve on this area?
So, Rashmi, again, that whichever word you use it very often in your day to day life, It could be as simple as that I depend on my vocabulary, or I depend on my servant a lot, right? So depend, we use it so often throughout the day
Hmm.
that we don't realize that depend we use it for 10 times, 20 times. So instead of depend, which other words will you be able to use it? So
Hmm.
that day you decide that today I'm not going to use depend. Instead of that, I'm going to use some other words.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so this sort of a exercise, with what will happen is that you will start giving more attention to your day to day vocabulary as well as the conversation, that what
Yes.
you are using, how you are using it, and when to use it. All
Hmm.
these things you need to cater for, and you need to think about it and then speak. So take one word every day,
Hmm.
that whichever you feel that you are using it many a time, so try to find out the correct synonyms for the same and try to use it.
Okay. Hmm.
Right, that will
Right,
really
ma'am.
help
Right.
you to come up with the new words also, and you
Hmm.
will always be able to remember them because you have worked hard for it.
Hmm. Right, ma'am.
Right,
Hmm.
so it was quite interesting to talk to you, Rashmi. Nice
Same
talking to
here, ma'am.
you.
Same here. And today
And
you gave me wonderful lessons, actually, and wonderful techniques. I'm definitely going to apply all of them.
very good. Okay, but take care of yourself and
Thank
be
you,
very
ma'am.
happy in your life.
Thank you.
Take